Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install eBay shopping app from Google Play Store. If you're struggling with downloading this app from Google Play Store, then there are a few steps you can take to fix this issue. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So in the first method, you want to go back to your Google Play Store, and from Play Store, make sure you are logged in with your Gmail account before you try to download and install this app. However, if you are already logged in but unable, then you might want to check and ensure that you have enough space on your smartphone by deleting unnecessary files or even apps that you no longer need to free up space before you can try to install your app. You can also clean up trash from your smartphone to create more space. However, if that was not possible still, then you need to come back to Google Play Store and go to your profile icon here on your account and go to settings. Now from settings, go to network preferences, and here you can see we have quite a number of options. Look for this app download preference and tap on it, and then change this to over any network. Then save your changes by tapping on OK. This will ensure that you can download and install your apps via the current network you are connected to. At this moment, you can try and install your apps, and now everything should be okay. However, if it is still a challenge at this point, then the problem might be elsewhere, and that is Google Play Store app itself. For that, you will need to troubleshoot Google Play Store by accessing its app info page. To do that, just long press on your Google Play Store app, and you should see app info. If you don't see this, you should have a settings gear around here, or even the name of the app, it should be around here. Just tap on any of this to access Google Play Store app info page. At this point, first you want to force stop this app. This will ensure that any background activities that might be hindering app downloads are stopped. Then go to clear data here, and you want to choose the last option, clear cache, and finally OK. So don't worry, this will not log you out, or it will not change how your app interface or history will appear. At this point, now you will need to restart your smartphone, and once you have restarted your smartphone, go back to Google Play Store, and at this point you want to search for your app. So I'll tap search here and just search for eBay. Then I'll run my search, and now let me try to install the app and see if the problem has been fixed. And now look at that, I'm able to download and install eBay online shopping app on my smartphone from Google Play Store. So let me know which of these methods was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.